Hello everyone, welcome to Sankarshan Garbha Sanskar. Here we enlighten pregnant women and guide them towards a happy and healthy pregnancy phase to ensure well-being of both the mother and her child. 2 years ago, we had traditional offline classes and workshops. In our workshops, we conducted yogasana, light exercises, pranayam, and provided counsel regarding dietary habits, mantra upchar, and stress management. But due to the recent pandemic, we switched to the online mode of classes. Because of this, not only did it benefit the local women, but we could reach out and help the pregnant women on a global scale, that is within India as well as internationally. We switched our physical workshops to online classes and provided guidance through the YouTube platform on our Sankarshan Garbha Sanskar page. Let's take a look at some exciting stories from our clients.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi Surpam and I'm a working woman in Mumbai. I'm basically from Nagpur. I got pregnant in the month of February 2020. I wanted to join some prenatal workshop, but due to COVID-19 situation, there was a nationwide lockdown imposed by Government of India. Hence, I started searching for some online classes. Eventually, I got introduced to Dr. Ansinkar ma'am through my elder sister Inakshi Surpam, and I joined these online Garbha Sanskar classes. I was 2.5 months pregnant when I joined these classes. I must say that I had a very wonderful experience and gained immensely through these classes. All my queries were very effectively solved by the three able doctors, Dr. Ansinkar ma'am, Dr. Booth ma'am and Dr. Bakshi ma'am. I had a very happy pregnancy and without any problems which a pregnant woman generally face during such times. The only major problem I had during my pregnancy was backache, but once I started with these classes, they got resolved quickly. The other minor problems I faced during my pregnancy were constipation, body ache, and bleeding gums. But after I told these doctors about my problems, they also got effectively resolved within just 2 to 3 days. My weight was very well maintained throughout my pregnancy due to the diet chart given by them. It is an excellent diet chart and very nutritional, and it helped me not only maintain my body weight but also helped me maintain the glow of my skin. I had a very good flexibility and energy levels throughout the day after I did the exercises. Not only the exercises but even the mantra upchar taught by these doctors were very effective and kept me calm and away from mood swings. I had a very positive feeling after doing the exercises and chanting the mantra upchars. I am very grateful and highly recommend these doctors for online Garbha Sanskar sessions. It will not only help the mother but also the child throughout the pregnancy. Last but not the least, I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Ansinkar ma'am, Dr. Booth ma'am and Bakshi ma'am for the patience and support they have shown me throughout the online Garbha Sanskar sessions. Thank you so much.
My dear Mama, you are my sweet loving friend. You have seen me laughing and crying from my birth till this day, always caring and comforting me in every walk of life. You are my special and an ideal mom, and you will always be in my heart. Love you, Mom. We also occasionally conduct sessions with our experts like Ayurvedacharya Dr. Sindhu Kundle Madam and our gynec expert Dr. Anjali Bhandarkar. Dr. Mrinal Bakshi, Dr. Vaidehi Booth and Dr. Anjali Ansinkar are the pillars of Sankarshan Garbha Sanskar who came together with a vision to mold the outlook of pregnant women to comfort and help them to get through this beautiful phase effortlessly and fruitfully. We believe every person is unique and we tailor our advice as per our client needs. If this is something that excites you, please do join us. We look forward to having you.